They don't like the gimmicks. They like the creativity.
Not only did he win the slam dunk last year, he also won the G League championship last year.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. No, that's not nice.
That is nice.
No, Reggie, that is not nice. That is not done ever in it, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot take the ball out of someone's hand, toss it to yourself, and dunk it. That is incredible.
Look at him.
That is not normal. That is not normal. That's not normal. That is not normal.
Well, if everything else was like 48s and 49s, this is a 50.
Come on, man.
This should be 50 across the board.
Hey, listen, man. I gotta find somebody to battle this dude.
This should be 50. Am I right? This should be 50?
This is like Jay-Z in a freestyle battle. It's not fair.
This should be 50 across the board.
Oh, they're tripping. They're tripping. Darnell Tillman, man. What is he? Some of the glasses. You can't see. Oh, there he goes.
Well, and I guess turning the other way in finishing.
Listen. I'm so upset right now.
Man, stop it.
I am so upset.
On,
you know, I cannot move on.
Move on,
I cannot move on. Reg, you go in this. I'm so upset. You take this.
I like it because he's turning the other way and finishing. Oh, the Mexican flag down low. I like it. I like
this
it.
This court has been one of the stars
to me,
of tonight.
It's the hair, man. Look at that.
I was actually looking at Matt McClung's dunk on YouTube to see it again. I was waiting to see that again.
His brother was like, come on, man, let's go.
He's like, we do this in the backyard every day.
Let's go, Jacob.
We did this every day in the backyard.
That's right. Let's go, Jacob.
There it is. Oh, that's nice, though. That is nice. But I think the judges, maybe they're penalizing independent dunk. When you make it, that's the dunk we judge.
That is nice, though. Look at this. It's super slow.
Do you think it was better than the McClung dunk?
No.
Okay, we'll see if you get a higher score.
But it's nice. Other hand.
Get him in the air. Get the crowd going, young fella.
Isn't that what wanted for him last year?
Okay, Gary Payton shaked his head on that one. I think he's going to give him a higher score. One of my favorite players, Darnell. I was about to tear up your cards, the trading card in my house.
McClung played his college basketball at Georgetown and Texas Tech.
Somebody's eventually got to get this young man an opportunity to play basketball.
He's had some time with the Bulls.
I'll be shocked if I see 147. I would. Okay. And
it's not that cold in here.
You think the cold is messing up this pass here?
No, because Jayden's a shooter. He's a shooter.
Was that a D. Brown?
They tried to do the D. Brown.
Tribute to D. Brown.
And then you saw him pump up the shoes.
Yeah.
Pump them up. They have. Let me see if he actually closed his eyes. No, he did not. He did not. No,
and then this late.
No. It looks like he's sneezing right now.
Then he did that late.
He's sneezing on it. He sneezed on it. He didn't do it.
He sneezed on the sleeve?
Yeah, he sneezed. He did not do the deep round.
So he needs a 46-2?
That's a 40.
Yes, he gets it. And then some.
I'm not sure if you could play a full game. Yet. Here we go. I like it, but that's an in-game dunk.
And power behind it, too. There was power behind it.
Yeah, he's not dunking that thing softly.
I like the tribute to Terrence Clark.
I do.
Yeah, I'll give you a 48.
I've seen him do this against
Milwaukee.
Yeah,
in a game.
And I like the power behind it. Two things, the tribute and the power behind it.
And you know what I really didn't know? I'm not going to lie. I did not know he had this much creativity. I did not know that.
Name in the slam dunk competition that's been in the NBA. Now, Matt McClung has made himself a name because he won it last year, but it's not in the NBA. Man, that That's nice.
Almost killing himself.
Even I'm going to stand up for this.
Go get a young gun. Go get a young gun. Go get a young gun. He did it too easy that time. He actually did that one too easy.
You said before the penalizer because it's a second.
But I just think that he wanted to make sure he put it in.
Yeah.
So he's like, let me just put it in. But he put it from his hip the first time.
That's a pretty good wind up.
His vertical it has to be just a straight vertical. Man, it has to be like 55. But that is about the same as Jalen's to me.
This is a 49.
It's the same as Jalen.
This is a 49 across
I can't say that because you take the two people out of it, it's the same dunk.
Two people.
No.
Someone's in front of you.
That's like hitting a golf ball over a lake. No. If you factor in as a lake, no. The lake is just an obstacle that's not real. Why would you bring out what's your relationship with Donovan Mitchell when you're trying to beat him in the playoffs? I would not bring him out. You can't help me win nothing.
Yeah, he's the good. So that is
it's
Michael Jackson.
Could it be that the criticism is that he can't go to his left?
Oh, the criticism he can't. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is good.
I mean,
but he hasn't done left-handed either.
Really? Is that what people say?
Yeah, he doesn't go left.
So you wouldn't be an all-star if you can't go left.
Well, you know,
Come on, man.
It's the internet talking, man. You should hear what they talk about your ears.
Well, it's funny what they say about that bad beard of yours.
I'm just saying the internet.
Oh, come on.
He has a left hand.
Come on.
I like it, man. I like it, though.
Is that a 49?
No, that's a 40. Doesn't understand the left hand dunk.
And slow-mo, that's nice. Slow-mo, that's nice.
49.
49 across the board. Why don't you listen to me? Aren't you supposed to be the dunker out of the two of us?
well, a couple stratosphere clubs.
Well, he's putting on Gate City again. That's his high school. Was that his high school? Oh, I think that looks like a Wembanyama jersey. Oh, that's a Shaq jersey.
Again.
And I knew it was big. Shaq can't fit in that. Stop. If Shaq fits in that, that's a 10 already. That's a 50 already. If Shaq fits in the jersey, that's a 50.
So he needs 49.1 to win and 49 even to tie.
He cannot fit that jersey.
49 even to tie.
And 49.1 to win.
Let me see. Come on, Shaq. You've been working out. Let's put that jersey on.
He got it. He got it.
Oh, yeah.
He got it.
Oh, can you say Ozempic?
Oh, my goodness. You're not going there with the big fella, are you?
I'm sorry.
And there's Shaq's jacket on Giannis.
Oh, yes. See, he's not asking Shaq to bend down.
Shaq this weekend is number 32, retired by the Orlando Magic.
Yes. Congratulations.
And a great move by Alex Martins and that terrific franchise down.
What, he just moved up.
In Orlando.
He said he was going to do this.
He just won the contest. You're not going to say anything?
But however, the young man deserves to win tonight. He definitely deserves to win.
So your 2024 AT&T Slam Dunk champ is Mac McClung.
Please welcome AT&T CEO John Stankey, joined by Julius Erving as they present the Julius Dr. J. Erving Trophy to the winner of the 2024 AT&T Slam Dunk. From the Osceola Magic, let's hear it for Mac McClung. And now let's go to NBA on TNT's Allie LaForce.